my 2 cards.
Hello everybody. Welcome to my Horticulture 101.
Okay.
Let me ask you a question. Do you think you're managing your plants right?
No way.
Managing your plants may appear simple, but in fact, it is very difficult. There's so many things that go into maintaining your plants, and you need to know all of it so that way you don't end up with this.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
It is very crucial. And we are going to find out how to remember those steps by following the 4 R's. What are the 4 R's? The 4 R's are the right plant. Number 1, you have to choose the right plant for its location. The right plant, as in if it's an outside plant, you need to make sure and research that it's an outside plant. For example, this beautiful plant right here, it's a little empty because it was outside and it was supposed to be inside.
Oh.
So again, choosing the right plant is vital because it will die if it's not in the right location. The second R is the right pot or the right spot. The right pot means that if I have a plant like this and I'm planting it into a pot, it needs to be the right size, obviously, because plants grow at a certain rate, and you do have to research what rate or how big really that they'll get when they mature. So you kind of want to get a little bigger pot so it has room to grow. And as far as choosing the right spot for it, the reason I say that is because if you want to dig up a hole in the back, it needs to be enough space in between plants so it can grow underground. So like I said, it's very vital so that way, again, it doesn't die. And that's all about maintaining plants. You want to maintain them so that they'll grow and thrive, as this one is right here. The third R is the right soil. Wherever you are, there's always like a local soil that you have. If you're going to plant it outside, you need to research and see if the soil that you're buying, is good enough for the plant that you have. So also that it doesn't die. So I got this big old bag right here of potting mix.
There you go.
This is a good one for all kinds of plants, for outside, inside, but we're speaking about outside plants now. So this is a good mix, and I used it for this one, and as you can see, I got the right mix because it's thriving. And then the last R I have is the right location. The right location is also vital because you want to make sure that you research where it's supposed to go. If you're outside, does it need to be in direct sunlight, or does it need to be maybe in a shaded area? I will give you an example here. This plant is a little sad. It died, unfortunately, because it was in direct sunlight.
My goodness.
And then you have this plant. It's better. There's some dead leaves. It was a little bit out of the sun, but as you can see, some of it got direct sunlight because the sun came in like kind of halfway. So this was good and this wasn't. So it's very important that you have the right location. Sometimes, like if you wanted to do it in the back or in a green room or whatever, you need to really make sure that that's good enough for the plant, because sometimes too much moisture will drown the plant. Some plants will die if they have too much water. So you really have to pay attention, like if it's raining outside or whatever. If it's in a pot, bring it inside until it stops raining, and then take it back out. So as you can see, we have all these plants. These are good examples of why you should definitely remember the 4 R's. You have the right plant, the right pot, right location. So I hope you guys take this with you and remember it. That way you will be successful in maintaining your plant's vitality and everybody is happy and healthy. All my green thumbers. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.